Hi, I thought I'd do a really quick video showing you how to use some fencing tools. What are these? How do you use them? What's this thing for? Stick around, I'll show you. So I've got this problem here. The wire has snapped, the top wire, and it's all slack all the way along the top of this fence up the hill there. So I need to join the two bits of wire together, and we're going to use this thing. It's a gripple. It's really simple. You just put the wire through this fat hole here. It comes out the other side. I'll do that and show you. That's one side on. You just feed the other side in. Same thing in through the fat hole. So that's it. It'll go through one way, won't come through the other way, and you just pull them tight. You could just pull them tight by hand, but I'm going to make this one really tight, and we're going to use these chain pullers here. So this bit, the wire just fits through these jaws here. See if I can do that. Again, doing this one-handed, it's not the easiest. So they fit through there, and then when you pull it, it grips onto them like that, and it can't get out. There they go, they're attached at one end, attached at the other end, and then you just walk this thing up the chain. It clips on it. Much easier with two hands, and so on and so forth. See, it's really tight on that side, and then you can just pull this gripple through until that's tight. You just walk them in reverse to loosen it up, and then they'll come off. Give them a tap here with a hammer and it loosens this off, they come off the wire. It's pretty simple really, sometimes you don't even need the hammer. Yeah, that's it. A gripple. What happens if you change your mind and you want to take it off because it only goes one direction? Well, I'll show you now. That's what this thing is for. If you look under here, under the fat end, there's a tiny little hole. See there, and you can get this into it and push, and it releases the gripple. So that's it. That's how to use some of these fencing tools.